Here at Northern Wine School, we rejoice in the wonderful world of gin. Enjoy our selection of some of the world's most celebrated craft gins. You will be served 6 glasses with a decent measure of each variety. Experiment with lots of different garnishes and botanicals. Can you identify some of the herbs and spices used to make gin? Plenty of nibbles to savour while you drink. Your sense of smell is put to the test with this unique aroma training kit. 12 blank aroma strips are prepared with some distinctive gin-based scents to challenge you. Remember, 95% of flavour is due to your sense of smell. Gin connoisseurs are made, not born. How good is your nose? Taste the gins neat to begin with to see what flavours you can detect. Then try the mixers. We'll recommend some combinations, but often it's better to discover your own favourite. Don't forget the ice, but most of all, enjoy the experience.